Okay, so the Ranger RT198 came with lead acid batteries in it and very efficient battery setup. But in our fashion and style, we are going to upgrade. We are going to the Pro Guide Lithium series. And the reason we're doing that is, for one, we got more space back here in the back, but we're going to be able to run less batteries to give us more space and have more power. And that's just kind of when you're going to run a setup to where you've got multiple live scopes, multiple units. We're going to do that so we can have all of our charging and all of our power source from the back end. We're not going to have another battery up on the front. The reason that we don't have to is because of this battery right here. It's a 31M180 dual purpose. It's going to run our starting battery. That's 180 amps in a 12-volt battery. And so we're going to be able to put it here on the cranking side, put our mercury to it, all our electronics, all our live scopes, all our, aerators, everything's going to run that. And we have 180 amp hours. That would be like running 2 batteries in parallel a lot of the times. We won't have to do that. We only got to have 1 battery. Obviously, it's super light, weighs around 40 pounds or so. So you get all the efficiency and power in 1 battery, and it just makes your life a whole lot easier. Secondly, we're going to run 1 36 volt. You know, this is the 36M60 in a 36 volt. So we're going to have 1 battery. It's going to run our Garmin Force, and we're not going to have to worry about having enough power on the day. This is a 60 amp battery, but what I've been around Pro Guide Lithiums, running them in my glass boat, running 100 amps, different sizes. We're going to have all kinds of power with the 60 amp in 1 36 volt battery. There again, all kinds of room, all kinds of power. And lastly, we're going to put the Pro Guide charger in it. Now, this is the 1236. This is a 10 amp 12 volt and a 10 amp 36 volt. It's got 2 leads on it. So all you're going to have is a power cord, then a lead that goes to your starting battery, and a lead that goes to 1 troll motor battery and a 36 volt application. Really slick, really simple. There again, don't have a lot of room back here, but we're making more room by not having as many leads, as many batteries, and we can use it for other things, storage, whatever it might be, carry another's prop. But that's going to be our setup. We're going to put it in the RT198, and I'm really looking forward to seeing how this thing pushes everything along. All right, now all of this is going to go to this 1 alpha line of battery from Pro Guide. So you can tell here this is a lot of connections. And in the past, the problem has been having enough terminal space to connect them all. But Pro Guide has solved that. You can look here, it's got 3 positive lugs and 3 negative lugs. They all work in conjunction on the battery. You can tie to any and all. No need for any more like adapters on your terminals, and that's just a place for the battery to corrode, not make good connection, not get good charging. These are all built into the whole battery housing itself. So we got 3 lugs on one side positive, 3 lugs on one side negative. So when we put this together, we're going to have all kinds of space for that whole collaboration of wires and everything that we're going to have tied onto this. But just makes it super simple to be able to hook everything up to your starting line. We're going to turn the batteries on for the first time. We're going to hold that in, and the battery's going to come on. You see right there. Now this is Bluetooth capable to the app. You can put it on your phone. There you can see it. We've got our Pro Guides installed. We took 3 batteries out of here, and we really needed to add a 4th one if we were going to keep that style set up, and we replaced it with 2 batteries, and just made it really simple, really clean. You can see here on a Pro Guide charger, when we turn this on, all you're going to do is literally push the button to select the battery type. We're going to choose lithium, and then you'll have a 10 amp charger, 36 volt on one lead, 10 amp charger, 12 volt on another lead. Really slick setup for lithiums with Pro Guides on both ends.